Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into the exquisite world of Kajal Agarwal's traditional fashion choices. Kajal Agarwal, the versatile Indian actress, has always been a trendsetter when it comes to traditional wear. From gorgeous saris to elegant lehengas, her wardrobe is a treasure trove of stunning outfits. So, let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic traditional fashion moments. The actress has often graced the red carpet and various events in beautifully draped saris. Her choice of saris is a perfect blend of contemporary and traditional. From intricate hand-woven silk saris to classic kanjivarams, she knows how to rock the sari look with grace and elegance. Another fashion statement that Kajal is known for is her love for lehengas. Whether it's for weddings, festivals, or promotional events, she always manages to stand out in these traditional ensembles. Her lehengas are often rich in embroidery and vibrant colors, making her the center of attention wherever she goes. She understands the importance of accessorizing, and her choice of jewelry is impeccable. From timeless jhumkas to statement necklaces, she pairs her outfits with stunning pieces that complete her traditional look. Her traditional fashion choices aren't just about the outfits and jewelry, her hairstyles and makeup play a crucial role in elevating her overall look. She often opts for classic hairstyles like bun or braid and complements them with traditional makeup, which includes bold kohl-rimmed eyes and earthy tones on her lips and cheeks. Kajal often embraces traditional clothing from various regions of India. From regal Rajasthani lehengas to the graceful Kanjivaram saris of South India, she seamlessly incorporates the essence of different cultures into her wardrobe. Festivals hold a special place in Indian culture, and Kajal knows how to make these occasions even more special with her fashion choices. Her festive looks are a delightful blend of tradition and glamour. From Diwali to Navratri, she never fails to shine in traditional ensembles. Some of Kajal's traditional outfits are timeless classics that never go out of style. Her choice of elegant white saris, black and gold combinations, and earthy tones showcases her ability to embrace simplicity while making a powerful fashion statement. When it comes to bridal fashion, her choices are a source of inspiration for many brides-to-be. Her bridal outfits are the epitome of grace and grandeur. Whether it's her own wedding attire or her on-screen bridal avatars, she looks like a dream in traditional bridal wear. Kajal Agarwal has a few signature traditional looks that have become iconic. One of her signature styles is the classic silk sari, which she wears with a contrast blouse and heavy temple jewelry. This timeless combination never goes out of fashion and radiates elegance. What sets Kajal apart in her traditional fashion choices is her ability to drape a sari in different styles. She often experiments with unique draping techniques that bring a fresh perspective to this age-old attire. Her mastery of draping is an inspiration for sari enthusiasts. Her traditional wardrobe is a kaleidoscope of colors. Her color choices reflect her vibrant personality and make her traditional look stand out even more. While she's known for her traditional choices, Kajal also knows how to infuse a modern touch into her outfits. She's often seen in contemporary sari gowns, pre-draped saris, and fusion lehengas that merge traditional and contemporary elements seamlessly. Kajal Agarwal's traditional fashion choices often feature collaborations with renowned designers. She's worked with some of the best in the industry to create custom traditional outfits that are a blend of creativity and culture. In recent times, Kajal has also emphasized sustainability in her fashion choices. She's seen wearing hand-woven, eco-friendly fabrics, and promoting the use of traditional textiles. Her commitment to sustainable fashion sets an example for her fans. Her traditional fashion choices extend to various occasions. Whether it's a grand red carpet event or a simple family gathering, she meticulously selects her outfits to match the significance of the occasion. Her ability to choose the perfect attire for any event is truly commendable. Kajal's wardrobe is a testament to the diverse cultural influences across India. She seamlessly incorporates elements from different regions, like the intricate mirror work of Gujarat or the delicate embroidery of Lucknow, into her outfits. This fusion of cultures adds depth and richness to her fashion choices. Every fashion enthusiast knows the importance of wardrobe staples. For Kajal, these include classic silk saris, timeless gold jewelry, and neutral-toned lehengas. These staples form the foundation of her traditional wardrobe and serve as versatile pieces that can be styled in countless ways. The actress often collaborates with top-notch designers to create custom traditional ensembles. These one-of-a-kind outfits showcase her personal style and allow her to stand out in a crowd. Her close involvement in the design process ensures that the outfits reflect her personality. The devil is in the details, and Kajal is a pro when it comes to accessorizing. She understands that the right accessories can elevate a traditional look. Whether it's statement necklaces, intricate bangles, or embroidered clutches, she knows how to choose accessories that perfectly complement her outfits. To complete her traditional looks, she pays meticulous attention to her hair and makeup. Her hairstyling often includes traditional buns adorned with fresh flowers, giving her an ethereal look. Her makeup is a balance of timeless and contemporary, with emphasis on highlighting her natural beauty. She has transitioned from a more traditional and conservative style to embracing bolder and contemporary designs. Her journey is a testament to the ever-changing landscape of fashion and her ability to adapt to new trends. Kajal Agarwal's traditional fashion choices have not only made her a fashion icon but have also significantly influenced fashion trends in India. Designers often look to her for inspiration, and her outfits become the talk of the town, setting new standards for traditional wear. She is a strong advocate for reviving traditional Indian craftsmanship and textiles. Her support for artisans and weavers is evident in her choice of hand-woven saris and outfits. She actively promotes the idea of preserving India's rich heritage through fashion. Kajal's appearances on the red carpet are nothing short of extravagant. Her traditional red carpet looks are carefully curated to make a statement. She often chooses outfits with intricate detailing, opulent fabrics, and stunning silhouettes, leaving everyone in awe. Her impeccable sense of fashion hasn't gone unnoticed. The actress has received awards and recognitions for her contribution to the world of fashion. She's been celebrated as a style icon at various fashion events and award ceremonies. Beyond fashion designers, Kajal also collaborates directly with artisans and craftspeople to create unique traditional pieces. These collaborations not only result in exquisite outfits but also empower local communities and preserve traditional craftsmanship. Her traditional fashion choices have reached a global audience. Her appearances at international events and red carpets have showcased India's diverse culture and fashion to the world, making her a cultural ambassador through her fashion. Kajal Agarwal's personal style has evolved over the years. She's not afraid to experiment with different traditional looks, from classic to contemporary. Her fashion journey reflects her growth as an individual and her ever-evolving tastes in traditional wear. Kajal's dedication to promoting Indian heritage handlooms is evident in her wardrobe. She often showcases exquisite hand-woven saris from various regions of India. Her support for handloom weavers plays a pivotal role in preserving these age-old traditions. In an era of fast fashion, she has embraced sustainable and eco-friendly fashion. She encourages the use of natural dyes and sustainable fabrics in her traditional outfits, setting a positive example for her followers. Kajal's fashion choices are not just about aesthetics but also about empowerment. She believes that traditional wear is a symbol of strength and resilience, empowering women to embrace their roots and culture. Her bridal looks have left a lasting impression. Her bridal outfits often incorporate intricate embroidery, traditional motifs, and statement jewelry. These looks inspire brides to be and leave everyone in awe of her elegance. Kajal's fashion choices for cultural festivals are a testament to her respect for diverse Indian traditions. Whether it's donning traditional Bengali attire for Durga Puja or celebrating Pongal in a South Indian avatar, she effortlessly captures the essence of each festival. She also knows the power of minimalism. Her simple and elegant traditional outfits prove that less can be more, showcasing the beauty of understated style. Kajal Agarwal often chooses traditional outfits with timeless silhouettes. Her wardrobe features classic cuts and designs that transcend fashion trends, making her attire relevant and evergreen. One of her fashion superpowers is her ability to blend the old and the new. She effortlessly combines traditional textiles and craftsmanship with contemporary design elements, creating a unique fusion of styles. Kajal's jewelry collection is a treasure trove of traditional pieces. From heirloom necklaces passed down through generations to statement pieces acquired from renowned jewelers, her jewelry complements her outfits in the most exquisite manner. Her bridal fashion choices have redefined modern Indian bridal fashion. She introduces new color palettes, innovative draping styles, and unconventional bridal jewelry, setting the stage for a modern yet traditional bride. Kajal's fashion choices have significantly impacted the Indian fashion industry. Designers and brands often experience a surge in demand for outfits and accessories similar to what she wears, making her a key influencer in the industry. She has graced the covers of numerous fashion and lifestyle magazines, each time showcasing a unique traditional look. Her presence on these covers not only sets fashion trends but also inspires millions of readers. Kajal has collaborated with designers to launch her own lines of traditional wear. These collections are a reflection of her personal style, and they give her fans an opportunity to embrace her fashion choices. Her traditional fashion choices represent a captivating tapestry of style, culture, and personal evolution. Her wardrobe not only showcases her impeccable fashion sense but also serves as a canvas for preserving and promoting India's diverse heritage. Through her fashion, Kajal effortlessly fuses the old and the new, blending classic silhouettes with contemporary elements, and she's unafraid to experiment with colors, fabrics, and accessories. Her dedication to supporting handloom weavers and artisans highlights her commitment to sustainability and the preservation of traditional craftsmanship. Kajal's bridal looks are iconic, redefining modern bridal fashion with innovative draping styles and unconventional jewelry choices. Her influence extends beyond fashion, impacting the industry and inspiring millions. With each outfit, Kajal continues to make a profound statement about the beauty, strength, and timelessness of India's traditional attire. Her fashion journey serves as an inspiration to all who appreciate the rich tapestry of India's cultural heritage and the power of style to transcend boundaries and generations. Her traditional fashion choices embody a captivating narrative of cultural appreciation and timeless elegance. Her wardrobe is a visual symphony that harmoniously blends India's rich heritage with contemporary aesthetics. From her mesmerizing saris to her resplendent lehengas, she showcases the sheer diversity of traditional Indian attire. What sets her apart is her ability to infuse her own personality into every outfit she wears. Whether she's donning intricate hand-woven saris, collaborating with artisans to create custom ensembles, or adorning herself with exquisite jewelry, Kajal's choices reflect her unwavering commitment to preserving and promoting the essence of Indian traditions. Her advocacy for sustainable fashion and support for local weavers underscore her influence as a responsible fashion icon. Her iconic bridal looks redefine modern bridal fashion, offering brides to be a fresh perspective on wedding attire. Her impact on the fashion industry is undeniable, as designers and brands seek to replicate her impeccable style. With each outfit, Kajal not only celebrates India's cultural diversity but also empowers individuals to embrace their roots with confidence and flair. Her fashion journey is a testament to the enduring allure of traditional attire and its ability to transcend time and trends, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion. Kajal Agarwal's traditional fashion choices are a captivating narrative of style and substance, seamlessly weaving together the rich tapestry of Indian culture and her own personal evolution. Her wardrobe is a testament to the timeless allure of traditional attire, with each outfit telling a unique story. Kajal is not just a fashion icon, she's a cultural ambassador who uses her fashion choices to celebrate the diversity of India's heritage. From the elegance of her saris to the grandeur of her lehengas, Kajal's outfits are carefully curated to complement each occasion's significance, whether it's a grand red carpet event or a cultural festival. What sets her apart is her ability to strike a harmonious balance between classic and contemporary. She effortlessly fuses the old and the new, reviving heritage handlooms and supporting artisans while embracing modern design elements. Her advocacy for sustainability in fashion is an inspiration, as she champions eco-friendly fabrics and natural dyes, making a powerful statement about responsible consumer choices. Her bridal looks redefine modern wedding fashion, showcasing innovative draping styles, unconventional color palettes, and exquisite jewelry, setting trends for brides across the country. Kajal's impact on the fashion industry is profound, influencing designers, brands, and millions of followers worldwide. With each outfit, she reminds us of the enduring beauty of traditional Indian wear and its ability to transcend time, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion and culture. Her journey is a testament to the strength and grace that can be found in embracing one's roots, and her fashion choices continue to empower individuals to do the same. Kajal Agarwal's traditional fashion choices are a breathtaking journey through the rich tapestry of India's cultural diversity and her own evolution as a style icon. Her wardrobe is an eloquent reflection of timeless elegance and the art of balancing tradition with contemporary aesthetics. With every outfit she wears, she tells a unique story, celebrating the diverse heritage of India. Her saris, lehengas, and traditional ensembles resonate with grace, making her an embodiment of sophistication. What distinguishes Kajal is her ability to seamlessly merge the old with the new. She effortlessly incorporates the age-old charm of hand-woven fabrics, intricate embroidery, and traditional motifs while infusing her personal touch through modern design elements. Her commitment to supporting local artisans and promoting sustainable fashion practices demonstrates her influence as a responsible fashion icon. Kajal's bridal looks are nothing short of spectacular, redefining the modern bride's fashion narrative. Her bridal ensembles are a fusion of innovative draping techniques, unconventional color choices, and exquisite jewelry. She sets a benchmark for brides to be, offering them a fresh perspective on wedding attire. Her impact on the fashion industry is undeniable, as designers and brands scramble to replicate her impeccable style. Kajal's fashion choices not only celebrate the diversity of India's cultural heritage but also empower individuals to embrace their roots with pride and confidence. Her journey underscores the enduring charm of traditional Indian wear and its ability to transcend time, leaving an indelible mark on the global fashion stage. Her traditional choices are an inspiration and an embodiment of the timeless allure of India's cultural tapestry. Kajal often opts for a classic bun as it complements traditional saris and lehengas beautifully. She accessorizes it with traditional hairpins or fresh flowers, adding a touch of grace to her look. Braids are a timeless choice, and Kajal occasionally adorns them with fresh or artificial flowers. This traditional style evokes a sense of festivity and cultural richness, making it perfect for various occasions. The gajra, a string of jasmine flowers, is a quintessential accessory for many Indian women. She occasionally wraps a gajra around her bun or braid, enhancing the fragrance and charm of her traditional hairstyle. For a modern twist on traditional hairstyles, the actress sometimes chooses a half-up, half-down hairdo. This style allows her to balance tradition with contemporary fashion. Mogra flowers have a distinct fragrance, and Kajal occasionally uses them to decorate her bun. The subtle sweetness of mogra adds a unique charm to her traditional look. The center-parted low bun is a simple yet elegant choice for traditional wear. Kajal's preference for the style highlights the importance of minimalism in achieving a timeless look. She often uses traditional hair jewelry, such as gold jade pins, mantikkas, or traditional hair combs, to accessorize her hairstyles, enhancing the regal aura of her traditional outfits. Occasionally, Kajal enhances her braids with intricate hair jewelry or embellishments, adding a touch of opulence to her traditional ensemble. While Kajal embraces traditional hairstyles, she's not afraid to infuse contemporary elements. She sometimes incorporates braids or twists into her hairstyles, providing a modern edge to her overall look. Her dedication to simplicity is evident in her choice of timeless traditional hairstyles. She often sticks to classic buns and braids, emphasizing that simplicity can be just as captivating as elaborate styles. Kajal Agarwal's traditional fashion choices are not just about clothing, they are a celebration of India's rich heritage and culture. Her style is a source of inspiration for many, and she continues to set new trends in the world of traditional fashion. We hope you enjoyed this journey through her stunning traditional wardrobe. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.